The directions for use are swiping once or twice on your chest, abdomen, or back of your neck during that time of the month. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about doTERRA's Clary Calm Essential Oil Blend. Clary Calm is a proprietary blend of essential oils that provides a soothing and calming effect during a woman's menstrual cycle during that time of the month. A topical blend of clary sage, lavender, bergamot, Roman chamomile, cedarwood, ylang-ylang, geranium, fennel, carrot seed, palmarosa, and vitex, Clary Calm provides a cooling effect to the skin and helps to balance emotions. The top two common uses for doTERRA's Clary Calm Essential Oil Blend are aromatic, so that's breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, you can roll it on. The main benefits of this women's monthly blend are that it helps to soothe abdominal discomfort and balances emotions throughout the month. The directions for use are swiping once or twice on your chest, abdomen, or back of your neck during that time of the month. You can also apply one or two swipes on the palms of your hands, rub them together, and then breathe it in deeply to help reduce stress. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit the subscribe button for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.